Nothing can make you more frustrating than when your garage door stops working and you're in a rush to get somewhere fast. Or how about during the heat of the summer and your garage door comes off the track? Hi, I'm Lisa Acquafredda for Adams Door Sales. And when a problem like this happens, we are here for you 24/7, 365 days a year, valley-wide. We're a family-owned business that's been doing this for over 25 years and specializes in all types of commercial and residential garage service and repairs. We pride ourselves in high-quality door services at a price that's both fair and honest.
When my garage door broke, I didn't know what to do. I gave them a call and they gave me a quote right over the phone. They didn't try and upsell me anything, and their quote was so much less than the other guys. And so they came out, fixed it right away, and I was just really impressed. They were so dependable, so trustworthy, and I would definitely recommend them to anyone.
Contact Adams Door Sales today, 480-699-1193, or find us on the web. Adams Door Sales of Arizona, your leader in garage door repair service.